Hey everyone, welcome to my next live from the workshop, and in this one I'm going to be doing another 3.5 inch custom. So I have the Dalek and I have the Saucer Pilot. What I'm going to do in this is I'm going to make a 3 and 3/4 inch, because it's not 3.5, I don't know why I said 3.5, Emperor. Obviously you're going to be using the Saucer Pilot, the Patrol Ship. I'll get there in the end. And I'm going to be making the Emperor of this, so let's get to this. And there is my finished Emperor. As you can see, he fits in both scale with the 5 inch, and if you will excuse me a second, I don't have one out to hand, and I can't get to it without moving the camera. The 3.5 inch, 3 3/4 inch even scale. Move it back a bit. So yeah, it fits in well with both sizes. Obviously, the main body of the Emperor is done with the 3 3/4 inch pilot, so it fits in well with that. But obviously the larger pieces are in scale with the 5 inch, so you know it looks good for both. And this guy's going up for sale on eBay. There's a link in the description, so please get bidding if you want it. It's there for you. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.